everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through on how to become an affiliate partner or how to sign up as an affiliate partner of Expedia.com. So all you need to do is go to their website, that's Expedia.com here, and then just need to scroll down at the bottom of the website and click on this link, Travel Agents Affiliate Program. So once you click on register for travel agent affiliate program, you'll get routed to the form that you need to fill in. So before we are going to do that, here are the benefits on becoming an affiliate partner of Expedia. So of course, they offer competitive commissions, largest travel inventory, fast and flexible booking system, safe partnership. And here are the breakdown of the commissions that you'll be getting out of the services that you are going to offer to your clients. And of course, they are a IATA member, and Expedia is a US-based company. And from here you can see if Expedia is available in your country, like if they have international sites. So you can check from here if your country is one of those. Alright, and then yeah, if you're all set, you can just click on register for TAAP. So from here, just need to fill in just the first step, because these are just 3 easy steps. So first step, you need to share your agency manager information. So basically, if you're the owner, so you just need to fill in all the information right here. Take note of the email address and the password, as this gonna be your login credentials once your account has been approved. And then don't forget to check on the checkbox and click on the create Expedia.com account. Once done, you need to proceed to step number 2, where you need to share your travel agency information. So just need to fill in all the necessary information. And finally, step number 3 is start earning commissions. So number 3 would basically activated, and you are capable of earning commissions once your account has already been activated or approved. So how to know that once you've already completed step number 2 and you had submitted your request or your application, then someone from Expedia would assist you or would reach out to you. Okay, for example, my account, they had contacted me after me signing up or sending the application form, and you'll be getting this kind of like documentation, required information that they want you to send back to them, together with your permits. Okay, so these are basically information that they wanted you to fill in. So basic information, and then once done, you just need to scan and send it back to them together with your business permits, scanned copy of your business permits. So in the Philippines, 3 documentations are considered as business permits. Those are the DTI, the Department of Trade and Industry documentation, and the mayor's permit, the updated one or the recent one. So since it's New Year, then every year it's being updated or renewed. And then lastly, the business registration, certification of business registration, which is the BIR, Bureau of Internal Revenue 2303 form. Okay, so all this documentation plus this required documentation that they send, you need to fill it out and then submit it to them. So in my case, I was able to receive it in just 2 hours. Okay, mind you, you need to if you're decided to sign up an account with Expedia, please take note that they won't process your information if everything is not completed. And they have this, because my case, they had indicated that they need to receive the documentation before, so they had indicated a time frame. okay, I received or I signed up an account on the 19th and want me to send it back on the 20th, say a day. Okay, if you don't have your documentation, don't sign up yet, so it would not be a waste of time. Okay, anyways, if you already have all the documentation, it was just gonna take you 2 hours. If you can see, I submitted like around 3, almost 3, and then they had me sign in like around 4, and your system is good to go and you're all set. So basically that's it, and that's how to become an affiliate partner of Expedia, and why you should join Expedia, it would be in another video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good one. Bye.